Hi, it's Sarah from Floral here, and I'm going to answer one of the questions that I get asked quite frequently, which is, how far in advance should I order my wedding flowers? So the answer to this is that it's much better to order significantly in advance, so that way, A, you're organized, and B, we can anticipate the number of flowers that we have on order, so that way we can ensure that our farms have enough flowers to go around. This is particularly important with those hot flowers that are in high demand, like quicksands, or also toffee roses are really popular these days. So if you're wondering, what does in advance mean? So if you're organized 6 months out in advance, great. But generally we like to have people order at least 3 weeks in advance. If your wedding is shorter than that, don't freak out. We can likely still accommodate your order, but then it kind of moves into the realm of what do we have extras for. So we always have extra flowers on hand because we always anticipate that somebody might have something come up that they didn't anticipate. But then we're limited to what flowers are available. So if you have a burning desire to get pink ranunculus, we might only have extra peach or white. So that's why you should always order significantly in advance to make sure that we reserve the flowers for you. So hopefully this gives you guys a better understanding of when to order your DIY flowers. As always, get in touch if you have questions.